Hey Markus. Thanks again for the flowers. They are really beautiful. My mom loved them too.
No problem, darling. You've helped me so much recently. I just wanted to thank you.
How are you doing today?
I still feel a bit weak. But otherwise I'm fine. I have you by my side. How can I not feel well there?
Oh Markus, you are very sweet. Look who is here. It's the liar, Sarah. Lisa, I know it's not easy. But I'm not the liar here. Markus is the liar. And if you find out too, I need you to apologize to me. Apologize to you? You can't be serious. I'll never apologize to you. You're just jealous because you don't have a boyfriend. You've really changed, Lisa. Unfortunately, you're wearing rose-colored glasses. Markus, come on. We're going.
All right, sweetie.
Sarah, what are you doing here? I don't want to see you. You know that. You need to know the truth, Lisa. Before it's too late. Markus is a liar and I can prove it. I'd like you to meet someone. Who is that, Sarah?
Hello guys. I am Julius.
Julius was Markus's friend. He knows that Markus does not have an illness.
The idea was mine. He wanted to spend time with you again. I told him to invent a disease. So that you have a reason to spend time with him.
And why are you telling me all this, Julius?
Markus said that he would pay for me sweets. For helping him. But he never called back. He lied to me too.
Do you see, Lisa? That's the right Markus. He isn't nice or nice. He would do anything to achieve his goal. I'll talk to Markus.
Hey Lisa, how are you doing?
Is it true that you lied, Markus?
Of course not. Why should I lie to you?
Who is Julius?
Julius. I don't know Julius.
I can see it in your face. Something is not right. You lied to me, didn't you?
I just wanted to spend more time with you, Lisa.
So you don't have a disease?
No, I'm healthy. I'm so sorry, Lisa. I didn't know how else I could see you again.
I never want to see you again, Markus. I must apologize to Sarah.
What did Markus want to give Julius? A. A PlayStation. B. Sweets. C. Movie tickets.